Hi students, today we are discussing chapter number 7 Science, A Journey of Light. Question and answers, Maharashtra Board, New Syllabus Science chapter number 7. As per New Syllabus 2026, Science Maharashtra Board. Kindly type in YouTube search at the rate of Iswarya Vijay Kumar and kindly subscribe this channel. 6th Standard English Medium Science Chapter number 7, A Journey of Light. Question and answers. Objects or instruments that produce their own light are called source of light. A source means as origin. The light from some source is bright and intense, while from others it is very dim. Every object that produces light is a source of light. When a lamp is lit in a dark place, surrounding objects becomes visible because of its lights. This means that the light emerging from a source spread in all directions. The sun is the largest source of light for the earth. From these observations, we have learnt light travels in a straight line, and this property of light is called the linear propagations of light. Point of incidence, angle of incidence, angle of reflections, incidence rays, normal and reflected rays. On the smooth surface, rough surface, incident rays, reflected rays. Even in irregular reflections, the law of reflections are followed. At every single point, the rays return from a rough surface go in different directions. For example, a stone on the road is visible from any direction. This is because of even though the sunlight comes in one direction, it reflects from the rough surface of the stones in many different directions. We are able to see most of the objects around us because of these irregular reflections. Now exercise filling the blanks, question and answers. First one, the sun is the major natural source of light for the earth. Second one, when the light falls on oblique objects, the reflections of lights occur. Third one, the functioning of a pinhole camera depends on the straight line propagations of light. Fourth one, a beam of light become through a window is visible due to dust particle in the air. Fifth one, reflections of light from still water is the regular type. Question number 2, choose the correct options. First one, if the angles of incident is 30 degree, the angles of reflection is 30 degree. Answer is 30 degree. According to the law of reflection, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflections. Question number 2. A clear image is seen in a plane mirror because of regular reflections of light occurs. Answers is regular reflections of light occurs. Explanation, a smooth mirror produces regular reflections allowing a clear image to form. Question number 3. We can see the moon because sunlight is reflected from the surface of the moon. Because explanations, the moon does not produce its own light. It reflects sunlight towards earth. Fourth one, when the angle of incidence and the angle of reflections are equal during reflections of light. Answer is always. Explanations, this is one of the law of reflections. Question number 3. And question number 4. When the angle of incident Question number 3 and question number 4. And the next questions. The moon is approximately 4 lakh kilometers away from the earth. The moon is visible from the earth, but any sounds produced there cannot be heard on earth. Why is this so? First ones. Why cannot we hear sounds produced on the moon? The moon is about 4 lakh kilometers from the earth. The sound required a medium such as air, water and solid to travel. There is no atmospheric medium between moon and earth through the space. Therefore, the sound from the moon cannot reach earth. Light, however, does not require medium, so we can see the moon. Question number 4. Identify whether the following statement true or false. Rewrite the false statements after correction them. First, fourth one, true or false. The incident ray is called the normal. False. Correct statement. The line perpendicular to the surface of the point of incident is called the normal. Second questions, false. We can see the object placed in front of us through a bent pipe. Correct statements. We cannot see an object through a bent pipe because light travels in a straight line. Question number 3. Objects are clearly visible to us in a dark room. That is false. The correct statement. Objects are not visible in a completely dark room because light is necessary for seeing. Question number 4. The image obtained in a pinhole camera is inverted. That is true. Explanations. The light travels in a straight line because the image formed through the tiny holes to appear upside down inverted. And question number 5. Who will be able to see the candle flame? Answers, Rekha. Rekha will be able to see the candle flames because of light travels in straight lines and her tube is aligned directly with the candles. And thanking you. Thanks for watching this video. If any doubt means put the comment box. The journey of light.